Hey everybody, Alan here, the science guy from Discovery Naturals, talking about the Discovery Naturals weight loss and detox study that you signed up for. You should have gotten your package in the mail by now containing 90 of these little packets. So let's get into a little bit more about what this is and how to use it. So what is Propectin? Propectin is a medical grade pectin supplement. What does that mean? Well, it contains some basic ingredients. It contains fructose, gives it a little sweetness. That is a non-glycemic sweetener, does not raise blood sugar. And pectin from a special medical grade apple grown in a region of Europe where only this kind of apple grows. It's a very special type of apple that has a very special type of pectin in it. It also has some ascorbic acid and some aroma. It tastes like green apples. So be very curious to see how many of you really enjoy the flavor of this. It's like drinking apple juice. Basics of how to use it. You take one packet and you mix it in cold water, about 8 to 10 ounces, and enjoy it. Just stir it up. It mixes very easily into water. So very easy to use on the go. As you can see, it's a very thin packet. You can put it in your pocket. Heat will not harm this. You can leave it in your car. That's fine. It's in a medical grade, a pharmaceutical type packaging, so it's very, very durable. You can put this in your purse. Like I said, put it in your pocket. Doesn't really matter. You can carry it with you everywhere, and make sure you use it 20 to 30 minutes before meals. You want to drink this entire packet in some type of beverage. We'll get into different types of uses later on. So what are you going to do? You're going to use this 3 times a day. Okay, you're getting 90 packets, 30 days times 3. 3 times a day, you're going to use this and pour it into cold water or your favorite beverage. Take it with you to restaurants. You wanna drink this before you order. It's going to help you feel a little more full. Weight loss works by reducing calorie intake or expending more calories. So how is this going to work? This is going to help you feel more full. And in doing so, what the idea is that you'll eat less. Notice I didn't say there was any caffeine in this or any other type of stimulant or herb or anything else. This is a very natural product and very healthy for you. So what we're trying to do is test this product out, see how people like it, see how much weight they lose. Please post to social media how you're using it, how you're enjoying the flavor, how easily it mixes. All those kinds of things would be great to hear from you guys on social media. So if this is working the way it should, and we believe it will, you will be losing weight because you'll be consuming fewer calories. Of course, there are a bunch of other health benefits that we'll get into as we go forward. The detox part of this is pretty cool. I think you're going to enjoy hearing about that. That's a whole nother discussion. So to get your best results, you're going to want to make sure you get a few things done each and every day. You really want to get 7 to 8 hours of sleep so that when you start your day, you're not tired and you don't eat things that you might, otherwise not want to eat. It does help that this is going to make you feel full, but if you've gotten a good night's rest, it's going to help as well. It's going to reduce cortisol levels, and I can talk more about that in another video. There's a lot of information to learn about weight loss. Consume a lot of water. What does that mean? Well, if you're like me, you might carry around something like this, a big old water bottle. I do this because I want to make sure I drink a lot of water every day. First of all, it's really healthy for you. Second of all, this is a fiber-based product. Pectin is a fiber. It's going to absorb water. It's going to help you be more regular. It's going to enhance bowel movements. Who doesn't want to poop better? Everybody wants to poop better. So all of those things are really important. And so getting a good night's sleep, drinking lots of water, and of course being conscious of what you eat. Although the point of this trial is to see how well this works without doing any extra exercise, without significantly modifying your diet. But of course, if you are eating more salads and more green leafy vegetables and fewer fried foods and fewer fast foods, those kind of things, yes, it's going to help you lose weight. The idea here is to see about losing 2 to 10 pounds with minimal modification to your existing diet and exercise regimen. That's about it for now. We'll be back soon with more tips and more information. If you do have something or a question you want us to answer, by all means, please submit it to us via email at help@discoverynaturals.com or feel free to obviously send us something via social media. At Discovery Naturals is our social media on Facebook and Instagram. Okay, we look forward to seeing you again in the next video, and keep up the good work. You're just at the beginning.